Hello, in this video I will show you how you can clear browsing data on Google Pixel 10. I will show you how you can do this on the Google Chrome example. So open it and click these three dots in the top right corner. Go to history because you can find over here more advanced options, and go to delete browsing data. Over here you can select the time range. So you can find over here even all time browsing deleting. I will take last 15 minutes. You can select what you want to delete over here. Of course, you have to select browsing history over here, and you can also find some of the other things that you can remove from your browsing data history. After that, click delete data. And now, as you can see, last 15 minutes is deleted from my browsing history. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.